Hello class, this is a video tutorial on calculus optimization. Questions involving optimization work to calculate a numeric value or expression that gives the maximum or minimum length, area, volume, time. It could be a rate, an angle, it could be a fuel consumption, a profit or a cost, or anything, because these problems are so varied, so a lot of problem solving is required. Optimization can also require a lot of assumed prior knowledge for certain problems, such as you'll need to be able to recall and just utilize formulas for perimeter, area, and volume of a whole variety of shapes. I've just given a few here. A use of speed, distance, and time, and other rates, and sometimes even similarity. Now, generally, the following steps can assist, but it's not a conclusive way of solving this. But the step one is, if it requires a diagram, draw a diagram and add in measurements and variables that we know are present in the problem. If it's to do with certain formulas, let's write those formulas out. And lastly, we're going to be using a lot of our knowledge of calculus to simply find a global maximum or global minimum and determining their nature. Now, lastly, most optimization problems are in two main parts. There is a show that part, which gives a formula. This has the most problem solving required. And a part two, which is find the max or minimum measurement or thing. So part one is the more difficult part, requiring lots of problem solving. However, it can be skipped entirely. So you could ignore this entirely and just move straight into part two using the formula that they give us. Okay, so that's a brief introduction. I'll be going through a number of examples here. And yeah, I'll demonstrate to you how these problems work. Hope to see you then, and best of luck.